Hey gang, welcome back to Opaw's Diecast Restorations. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing video. I recently was one of the winners in Don the Diecast Pirates giveaway, and I just got the package today and I wanted to show you what I got real quick. Start out with this Vega, the Thing. Bring you in a little closer. There you go. The Thing. I got the Hot Wheels. It's a SWAT van. If you look inside the back window here, there's a picture of a cop with a gun looking at you with a dog. So that's really cool. And I got one of these, I think they called them flippers. I'm not sure, but if you do that or crash them into something, they flip over. So that's pretty cool. It's in really good condition too. Then I don't know if this is the snake or the mongoose. I think it's the snake. Funny car. Then I got Tom McEwen's The Mongoose. Funny car. It's really weird. I have got decals coming from Flying Valiant, and I was going to do it for a race car. I was going to do this one up in his decals. And now I got the actual car to work with. I got this Corvette. I got the Teetotaler. I did the paddy wagon version of this not too long ago. The benefit here is I don't have to make a new roof or a back door. So that'll be fun to redo. Definitely got some tire problems. Got this off-road racer. '57 T-Bird. A lot of the old black walls. This is a Porsche 959. This one's in really super condition. It'll probably just go up on the shelf. Then, send me these muscle machines. But he said he needed the back tires for something else. And it just so happens that my son had bought me a mold making kit. And I molded the tires off of a '69 GTO muscle machine. So we'll be good to go there. But he sent me this Chevy pickup truck and two of these Camaros. They're all in really marvelous condition. On these two Camaros, I think I'll restore one a different color, and I'll put the wheels on the other one too and just put them on the shelf. The pièce de résistance of this was, he sent me not one, not two, but three of these Tonkas and a Tonka dump truck. Thanks again to Don at the Diecast Pirate. Make sure you all go over there and check him out. He's a really super great guy, and I'm glad that we've become friends. And that's about it. But make sure you go over and check out Don. He's just getting started, really, but he makes some super great restorations and building up a great collection. For now, this is Opa saying, keep on die casting, and goodbye.